Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be looking at our Dematron extra heavy duty 3020 RL. It's a 8-inch by 12-inch sewing area, and we'll be sewing on this really tight weaved webbing military spec. And we'll be sewing a 6-point pattern with a box. So, and we're utilizing 415 text thread, clamping design, all that programming is all designed by us. And if you have any projects that you want to automate, give us a call, 1-888-492-5553. We'll be happy to help you or send you a proposal or a quote. Thank you very much for watching, and here we go.